Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you clean up junk files or temporary files on Windows 11 to boost your PC performance. So if you find that computers start lagging a lot, or maybe you find that it's kind of slow, you can try to free up some space on your Windows computer. So you can follow these steps right here. First, you can click on this Windows button, the start button, and then go to the settings on your Windows 11, and then here on the left panel choose system, and then find the storage settings. So this is the storage space, you can click on that, and here this is my computer, and as you guys can see here there are some temporary files which kind of I think it's kind of big. So if you want to delete or clean up your computer, you can try to click on these temporary files and see what are the space that are the file that's kind of consume your storage the most. And here if you want to delete it, you can just click on this check button and click on remove files after that. So here you can see there's also downloads, but I'm not going to delete this because I need to check the downloaded files first before deleting it. So you can just check the one that you want to delete and tap on remove files, click on continue, and that's it. So that's how you can clean up some junk files on your storage. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.